Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogging, DIYs, all that. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. This is from two stores, and they're the two really big ones that I like to go to. So I was with my aunt this weekend, and we went everywhere. Went out to Ohio. So yeah, so I scored pretty good. But yeah, so definitely subscribe, grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's just get into this. First off, I got the red Spider-Man hand sanitizer because I'm doing like a whole keychain with the McDonald's thing and they go together. I get that. So yeah, I got this for my little DIY. Then speaking of DIYs, I got this little charm set to make I know I have an example of my DIY that I already made somewhere near me, but of course, oh yeah, see, this is the one. Oh, so here's my little Dollar Tree keychain from McDonald's little toy that I already made. So I got these little charms to make another one, and then I got these little charms to make a bracelet with. So yeah, I'm in my crafting phase right now, so I got that to go with that. Then I got another set of the pastel preppy little, little sheets to DIY. I'm doing a whole scrapbook dedicated to it. So we got that one. Then we got this Heinz ketchup 10 color pen. This is iconic. Pittsburghese, whatever, Heinz ketchup. So when I saw this, I was like, rep my city, thank you. So we got her. Then I got this notebook. It says Inspire, and I love like the matte black and the gold. I love it. And the pages, it just screams vintage to me. I love this. So we got her. Then I got this set, Bright Brilliant Aesthetic Wall Collage Kit. I remember this came out forever ago, but I don't really remember picking it up. So I got this one to do my DIYs. Then I also got another fun food one for my DIYs. Then I got the pink chalk marker again for my DIYs, and next thing I'll show you, I'll actually show you. So I got the DIYs to go with these. Now, all my little, let me get them all, little hotel keychains, I bought in my last haul, the chalkboard little sticky notes that go on top of these, and then with the chalk marker. So yeah, I'm doing all that DIY, and I will film it all. But yeah, so I got these hotel keychains for that. Then I found these little LED dripping candles. I thought these were so cute. So yeah, I have one back there in white, but this is like tan, so like super cute. Got her. Then I got this personal security alarm, and it was on the 125 shelf, but then it rang up 150, and it was already too late. I wasn't going back to return it, so I was like, you know what, whatever, this will be good anyway. So we got this, but just keep in mind this is $1.50. So now I'm telling you so you guys know. Don't make the mistake I did. Then I got this storage cube. Looks like this. I'm going to open it so we can see. Okay, it's really not a bad size. It's just a big cube. And then it has these straps in it so you can strap your stuff down. So not bad for $1.25. At least I don't think. Oh yeah, then I did get some craft clear glue in clear craft glue for my crafts. So got her. Then now we're moving on to like makeup and stuff like that, I think. Then I got these hair clips, and they're like wavy. I'm really into the wavy trend. I have a wavy phone case, wavy wallet. Like I'm just into the wavy trend right now. So I got these little hair clips. I thought they were so cute. Then I got the LA Colors Let's Get Away Automatic Lip Liner in Beach Bear. Now this is a brown lip liner, but since we're getting into fall, not almost winter, but like almost, I was like, you know what, dark colors, why not get this brown lip liner for like fall and stuff? So I got that to try out. Then from the peach collection, my favorite, this is the Glitter Lip Balm Peach Scented Tints Lips Pink. I'm obsessed with this, and this is Sparkle Peach. So got her. Then another favorite of mine, I use this every day, Peachy Pink Chip Cheek and Lip Oil. You can use it on your lips and your cheeks. So we got that. Then some new stuff. We got these Conair earwax cleaners. These work so good, I tell ya. So just got another pack of these for the vacation bag. Then we got these Global Beauty Care Cleansing Nose Strips Charcoal and Witch Hazel. Removes blackheads and unclogs pores. You get 3 in here. And I thought these were so cute because they're leopard, and I'm obsessed with leopard. So we got those. Then by Global Beauty Care, we have the Bubbling Sheet Mask with pink grapefruit and citric acid, and this is a brightening. So this is new. So we got her. Then while we're on face masks, we'll go with all the new ones. Then we got the Daily Care Sheet Mask Rice, and this is by Annual Mask, vitalizing and moisturizing, and this is a rice mask, which this is Korean skincare, so you know it's good for the most part. So we got the rice one. Then, again, same brand. This is the Real Peach Essence Mask, and this is by Farmstay. Real Peach Essence Mask. And I can't read any of that, so... Oh, never mind. They have it in English and... Okay. Prep your skin by cleansing and using toner. Remove, tap to absorb. So you don't have to wash it off. So we got that. Then by Global Beauty Care, we got the Peeling Sheet Mask with green apple and glycolic acid. And this is resurfacing. So that's pretty interesting. So we got the peeling. Then we got the Real Oatmeal Essence Mask by Farmstay. I thought this was pretty cool to have an oatmeal mask. So we got that one. So some new face masks. Then you already know my favorite Invisibobble. The like golder, I consider this like gold. Slim Elegant style. Then we got more skincare. So by Global Beauty Care, we got the Turmeric Face Milk Brighten and Nourish. Shake it up. So turmeric face milk, little serum. So I'm excited to use this. So we got her. Then while we're in serums, we got the Rose Quartz Shimmering Facial Serum Glowing. So we got her. I love the packaging of this. So we got her. Then this is not a serum, but this is by Revive RX. Naturally moisturizing factors in phytoceramides face and body spray. Our most nourishing body spray. Fragrance-free. Deeply hydrates skin and reduces water loss. Suited for all skin types. Targets dry skin. So you can spray this on your face and body. I think this is a great deal for $1.25. So we shall try it. So we got that. Then we got the Jade Gel Cream Moisturizer Balancing. So that is fun. Let's actually open it up to see what the packaging looks like. Because I kind of remember this collection coming out a while ago. Yes, this is the Gel Cream Moisturizer. So I got that. Then this is new. This is the new Global Beauty Care skin thing. Super Berry Hydrating Jelly Cream with Squalane. Super Berry. So I have to see the packaging of this. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's like basic Global Beauty Care. So we got the Super Berry Moisturizer. Or no. Yeah, Hydrating Gel Cream. So that is those. Then finally, I was so stoked I finally found this Happy Skin, Healthy Skin, Sheer Melon, Watermelon Scented, Tea Tree Oil and Glycolic Acid Body and Face Serum. It detoxifies and clarifies skin. I was so stoked to finally find this. So this is the watermelon scented one. And then this one is the mixed berry, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, brightens and plumps. So this one is brightens and plumps, and this one is clarifies and detoxifies. So I'm super, super stoked that I found these. You know, where I'm going to do a whole Dollar Tree skincare and makeup trying video, I promise. So, got that. Then we got some makeup by the Eben New York. This is the lipstick in Pink Teacup. And how pretty is that pink color? So, let's actually open it if it doesn't take 10 years. Yeah, there's tons of new stuff at Dollar Tree that I'm finally seeing. So that's the pink, super cute. Then by this Joha Airtight Lipstick in Skydive. I'm obsessed with that color. So that is in Skydive. So we got her. Then this is an oldie, but I don't remember having the nude. This is just the Shea Butter Lipstick Nude by Ioni. So more skincare. So this is by Spa Central's Rainbow Love Multi-Essence Mask. Watermelon, carrot, vitamin C, kale, hyaluronic acid, lavender. Smooth, brighten, glow, hydrate, firm, purify. So this is like the ultimate face mask. So we have her. Then by this new Global Beauty Care Super Berry collection, we have this. We have the Glow Boosting Clay Mask with hyaluronic acid. So rich in antioxidants, helps brighten and deeply hydrate skin, helps to gently brighten the appearance of skin for fresh, awakened look. So we got her. Then we got the, of course, exfoliating jelly cleanser from that collection. And this is the hyaluronic acid. So we got her. Then the last thing from that collection is the Super Berry Brightening Double Serum with Vitamin C. So, yeah, I got everything from that collection, so I'm excited to try that. Then, from Yes to Tomatoes, we got the Daily Foaming Cleanser with charcoal to detoxify blemish-prone skin, and that is me. I have blemishes, as you can see, so I was super stoked to find that, so I got her. Then, an oldie but a goodie, the lip mask in pink from Ioni. So, got her. Then, the pink color changing lip gloss. I go through this like crazy because I use it constantly, multiple times a day. This is the green one. Then, to finish off this all, is All Beauty. So, by Ong's Bath House, we have the Always Be Unique Foaming Body Scrub, Unicorn Dreams with Marcon Oil. So, this was $1.25 for this huge thing of bath scrub. I cannot wait to try this. Foaming body scrub. Yeah, it doesn't say like a scent or anything. But yeah, this was $1.25. So, I got her. Then, by Ong's Professional Intense Moisture Therapy Cuticle Oil. Renews and hydrates nail bed. Shape up your cuticles. I've seen this all over TikTok, so I was so stoked that I got it because I need to do my nails, obviously, so I'm definitely going to use this. So we got that. Then I had to restock. This is my favorite freaking primer. Face and Body Illuminator, Vitamin C, Golden Glam, Golden Light. So yeah, I use this as a primer, and I actually love it. So we restocked on her. Then the Peach collection is making a comeback, and I needed a restock anyway, so I was like, okay, a year later. This is the Lip Gloss Perfect Peach. So we got the lip gloss. Then we got the lip balm. How cute is she? It's like a little boba tea. And then we got the blush stick in Perfect Peach. So, yeah, so we have blush, lips, We got everything. I think these are the only 3 things in the Peach collection, but who knows. But I'm gonna do a bag check. Yep, that is everything. So that completes this haul. So from 2 of my favorite stores. So hopefully shopping this weekend I find some more goodies. But yeah, so definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for, and definitely subscribe and share the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.